This is Donkin joining you from the Big Boys Toys Expo 2020 here at Gloucester Park. I'm joined by Jimmy Egan, owner of Core Off-Road, and his wife Jodie. Welcome to you both. Tell us a little bit about Core.
Core was born from passion. We started around 8 months ago on design and testing. It all started with the General. We wanted to build a new canopy for our 79 series dual cab.
Well, tell us, these certainly don't look like your typical aluminium canopies. Exactly what can we see here?
They are quite different. Our products are made out of HDPE predominantly. We have patented world technology, which makes our products so strong. They are designed for Western Australian conditions and built here locally.
That is built from plastic to keep the weight out of it. You wouldn't think so when you look at it from a distance. You wouldn't think it was plastic at all.
Yeah, and to think of how strong it is when you hear it's plastic, pretty amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, well, plastic is a very durable product. Yeah, it is very strong, but yeah, it would have been the last thing I would have thought of to build a canopy from.
Kieran, tell us about the design process.
Alexis, we spent probably about 8 months so far doing a bit of design and development in our patented welding process. Spent a lot of time breaking products, refining the process. We've got it down to a point now where we think the structural integrity of our patented welding process is second to none. And the structural strength of these canopies through the testing we've done proves that.
Do you have any favourite features so far?
All of them, look at them. I want one.
Main features that are standing out to you?
Pretty much the whole rig actually. Yeah, it's very well done.
Is this something you want to get behind the wheel of?
If I come home with one of these, I reckon she'd kill me.
A fantastic and very eye-catching vehicle. Tell us about the General.
It's been completely repainted. It's a 2014 LC79 Toyota Land Cruiser. Definitely got renowned for being tough and handling anything that you can throw at them. The colour matching of our canopies accentuates with our deco pieces. They definitely are eye-catching, the Phoenix range.
What do you think of the canopies here today?
It's good. It's the first time I've seen these guys, and just walking through, it's a system that I would like to do and go forward with. So going to go down and see the boys, catch up and sit down and talk about how we can work it out.
Any particular features that really stand out to you?
Well, we're looking at a 79 series like this one. Just the space in the back here compared to other ones, this one seems a lot more for what I want, versatility, so for work and play.
Yeah, we've got a lot of years of out on the road and testing products and breaking a lot of gear, so we thought we'd take that to the table, and we've all had a big round table discussion to work out something that really suits everyone, and if we can't break it, then we must have a really good product.
So this really is a must-have for people who love going off-road?
Yeah, this is a product that I think it's going to suit everyone. We've got sort of different models, and there's different applications for everything, but we think it's all in the package thereafter.
I mean, it's nice that somebody's doing something different as well, so hopefully everything works out really great for them as well.
Duncan, what are some of the main features potential buyers really need to know about?
Some of the best standard features are actually hidden from sight. You've got a 100 litre water tank standard underneath. All your air lines for your compressor and your water lines are plumbed in out the side for easy access.
These really are one of a kind, aren't they?
They are very unique, hence why the extensive R&D testing and the new technology making it all from HDPE plastic.
That you would definitely use, on your next four-wheel driving adventure?
Pretty much everything, yeah. Fridge, lights, it's all, you'll need it all just for camping anyway, so usually you've just got a tray back or a well body and it all just sits in the back. So if it's got drawers, it's got a fridge, you don't have to take anything, you just throw it in the blankets and you're gone.
And Jodie now joins me with her gorgeous little ones, Charlie and Kobe. Hello, guys. Now, Jodie, tell me, these fantastic canopy setups aren't just for four-wheel drivers and off-roaders, are they?
No, not at all. It's great for, as we know, when we've got kids, we are carrying around a lot of extra gear. So it's great even just for the skate park when we go down, put the bike scooters in, the fruit, the kids' lunch and cold water in the fridge. It's not just for those going off road.
Are these setups something you could see yourself incorporating?
Absolutely, yeah. I've got one just about to order a similar thing. It was made in WA, so I'll have a look at these guys for sure.
Any particular design or setup that's standing out to you and suitable for your off-road adventures?
Yeah, definitely. Well, any of these, just if he customises them a little bit, they're fine. That'd be good.
Favourite features?
Well, he's got the inbuilt fridge, the small oven, slide-out drawers, and all the 12-volt systems you want, hot water system.
What more could you want?
It's nothing more.